I would have been fine. I'm not a child. I might be small, but I'm not weak. I haven't known you for more than half a minute, and you're already within my circle of disliking. No, it's fine. I mean, they're happy, right? I'm happy too. Let go, Berlin! Please, just let go! Don't even think about it! They wouldn't let me play tag with them. They said I was too small, and they might step on me. Look! I found a shiny thing! Look how pretty it is! No! I, uh, sorry, sir. Please, do not listen to me. I beg for your forgiveness. Yes! I would like that very much. Thank you, miss. Please, Pip is just fine. You don't have to. You don't have to do that. I can do it myself. Please, I don't want to be a trouble.